Whoever said that to you is trying to bring my good name down.
Ichie, relax. There is no need for all that you're saying now. There's no need. Did I tell you that I am angry with you? Did I? No. I called you here as a friend. Not even as one of my cabinet members. Are we not here alone together?
Onyeze, I am stunned hearing about these baseless allegations. You know I can never think of bringing you down.
But I know. I know.
The only thing I can remember doing is expressing my concerns over the petitions KORIE and Ekeh family brought to Ichie. Onyeze, wait, or was it the one that brought such lies to you about me?
Ichie, relax. It is not important who said what or who said what not. What is important to me now is that you are with me. And that you would remain faithful to me.
Onyeze, I will forever remain faithful to you. Trust me.
Ichie. Hey. Odogu, please accept this. It's just a check of 500,000 naira.
Onyeze, ikaraka.
You can actually cash it on Monday. Yes. You see, I called and you answered. I have to appreciate it.
You shall live long.
You have constantly distinguished yourself as my friend. And I hope nothing comes between us.
This one you are full of smiles. What happened?
The king has put a smile on my face this weekend. So I am off to plan a great weekend between myself and my family.
Was the king not supposed to have told him that he is no longer part of the council? What is the meaning of what he just said? That the king has put a smile on his face. Well, even if the king decides to keep him, I have already gotten something out of my loyalty to him. That was my original plan, and not to have him go.
My son, your father was my very good friend. While he lived, he never bothered himself with the politics of Umopaland.
And in all fairness, Ichie, was that right? My father never bothered to know what happened around him, like you rightly said. At least a man should know what happens around him, and that, I believe, contributed to his earlier death.
I always thought your coming back was because of crisis in the north. Or do you mean there is more to this?
You never can tell what a man thinks. The heart is deep. Isn't it right a man knows about his kingdom very well?
You are speaking the truth, my son. But what and what do you wish to know?
Everything. You know, I've left for too long now. And now that I'm back, I need to know all that I've missed. All the kingdoms around us have adopted the succession pattern, which is the rotational arrangement. I don't know why you elders in council are still following Ezebube as if the throne belongs to himself and his family alone.
Late Ezebube the first, that is the present Onyeze's late father, yes, was a very crafty and ambitious man. He signed the succession agreement of 1980, which ended royalty in their family. It was to rotate after him. His son was not supposed to emerge as king.
So why then is he still sitting on the throne as if he inherited it from his father? Do you know how much this kingdom makes on a daily basis?
You are just back in the land and you have started asking questions. Anyway, keep asking questions. But there is one thing I want you to know. That there is something we are hiding in this kingdom. And that is because money is made to rotate.
This is getting me so confused right now. Money is meant to rotate. I don't get it. From where to where is this money rotating to?
The people have fought. They have pleaded. They have done everything they could do. But the answer you already know. Ezebube will never let go of the throne. Major reason being that the elders in council, who are equally the kingmakers, are sturdily behind him. Umuopalanri is a land blessed with enough resources, and there is perfect revenue structure in place. The king sits on money and he is making the money to go round.
But don't you think you rob yourself of your future glory? Why trade your future glory for little favor? I don't get why eat crumbs when you know you can have the full loaves yourself.
I am happy you have started asking questions. Continue in that line. Sooner or later, things shall become clearer to you.
Please, I am sorry. Please, at least hear me out first.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
My love, see, I was in your house, but you wouldn't come downstairs to see me. I called, you wouldn't take my call.
And if you chose to be smart, you would have done the math and figured out that I don't want to see you or talk to you.
My love, at least hear what I am going to say first. Please.
Timothy, move out of my way. You are embarrassing the princess and her entourage. Leave now. If you don't move, I will be forced to do something you won't like at the end of the day.
My love, just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. What is important to me now is for you to know how much I love you. That I cannot do anything to hurt you. If you want to set my car, please, go ahead and do it. Please, hear me out first. I am sorry. I am sorry.
You are embarrassing the princess and her entourage. Leave.
Please. My love.
Please hear me out, please.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Baby. Baby, please hear me out. Please.
Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness.
How did he even know I would be passing through that road?
We have no idea, my princess. When a man loves a woman, he can do anything to have her attention.
Please. Just take me home.
My princess, home? You're not going to renew your passport at the immigration office any longer.
My day is ruined. I just want to go home. I mean, can I even go a day without one person ruining it for me? Earlier today was that loud-mouthed woman. And now this.
The queen?
She is not the queen. She's just my father's wife. Only my mother is the queen.
I'm sorry, my princess.
He hurt me. My princess, listen.
From all you've told me, I don't think he's done anything wrong. Listen, he came all the way here just to see you.
Well, he didn't tell me he was seeing someone else.
Did he tell you that you were his first?
Well, he could have at least said something.
My princess, it always does not work that way. He loves you. Why don't you just give him a listening ear? My princess.
I love him too, but...
Oh, look at that. So why do you go punishing yourself? The king said he comes from a noble family. And such men are not easy to come by, I tell you. Yes. I think that you should
Wait a minute. Hold on. Why are you going on and on, canvassing for him like you have been bribed to speak to me on his behalf?
Far from it, my princess dear. My darling. I'm only concerned about the princess's happiness. I think you should give him a listening ear.
That's quite touching. I'm touched by your affection and your love. Thank you.
Come, I'm only doing my duty. And thanks for appreciating that. Thank you.
I'm doing this because of God. And I know you're in love. I know what love is. Just be there like I said. In the next 1 hour, I should be there.
Sad princess.
Well, good afternoon.
Welcome to Golden Land. How may I be of help?
My name is Helen, Princess Helen to be precise. I have a meeting here with Chief Ferdinand. Is he around now?
The MD and the entire team are in meeting room A. This way.
Okay, thank you so much. You're welcome. What is the meaning of this?
Why are you treating me this way? You know how much I love you. Why? You know I can't stay a day without you. Why are you punishing me this way? For nothing.
For nothing? Did you just say for nothing? A woman claimed to be your woman in my presence and you tell me that it's for nothing.
She's nobody to worry about. She's in my past now. We are over now. Why can't you hear me out?
Why are you here? Of all places, why are you here?
I tried to see you in private, but you wouldn't give me the space. Princess, I am sorry. Please, forgive me, I'm sorry. I can't do anything to hurt you.
Why don't we hear from her?
There's nothing to hear from her. She must not see that man again.
And I'm asking you why?
You're asking me why? Because that man is not good for her.
Brother, I will always be here to remind you that Bond is a nice man.
Will you shut up that hole on your face?
And have you made that time to find out more about this man?
Why should I, Uncle Ethan, when I have more important things to do, rather than even thinking of asking her?
Since your sister is clearly in love with this man, why don't you make out time to know more about him instead of fighting him?
Oh, that is the reason why I have called for this meeting. I want you to bear me witness, because if she doesn't stop saying him, I will murder him. I want you to bear me witness. So please talk to her to stop saying him.
Duncan, are you listening to yourself? You will murder a man because he's in love with your sister.
That love will never stand. Do you hear me? My sister will marry a responsible one that has a visible means of livelihood. I'm not the one that sets land to survive.
Hey, you have heard your brother. What do you have to say about this?
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Brother, I have just two things to say to you. One, Bond is not what he looks like. You may have to take Uncle's advice and get to know him better, because I will not stop seeing him. Two, you may reconsider your plan to murder him, because you might end up being the murdered one.
Uncle Ethan, did you hear what this girl just said? Did you hear what this girl just said? I, the mighty Duncan of Umuokpanari, that has been her father, mother and father for all these years. Uncle Ethan, did you hear the disrespect?
Duncan, she is no longer a child. She's no longer the child you clothed and bathed all those years. She is now grown up. Instead of forcing your will on her, why don't you advise her?
Come on, Uncle Ethan, you're not helping issues at all. You're not. I regret involving you into this matter.
Duncan and his overprotectiveness. I knew this day would come. I knew it would. But Duncan, can't you will you marry your sister? Ah! Come on,
that is how it happened, my princess. The last time I went to visit her in the prison, I made it clear to her that we are over.
Wow. This is something. So, wait a minute. You mean to tell me that girl is an ex-convict? How in the world did you even get yourself involved with that type of person in the first place?
My princess, see, that girl is not bad. It was her friends. Her friends got her into that mess. And I warned her to stay away from those friends, but she wouldn't listen to me.
I want you to be very honest with me right now. French?
Yeah.
Do you still love that girl?
I
mean, if I wasn't in the picture, would you accept her back?
The answer is no. But I wouldn't say I hate her. Certainly, I never want to have anything to do with her again.
And this drama. And this whole nonsense that's going on. I'm not one to fight over my man with another woman. I am royalty. Need I remind you?
I've ended it, my princess. Believe me, I have. But she won't give up. I believe that very soon she'll understand that she's fighting a lost battle.
Chimobi! Chimobi, come out here and let's end this madness right now! Chimobi! 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 Chimobi!
What is it?
It's you again.
Hi. The Barbie girl is here. Come, Chimobi. Do you even do any other thing other than staying with this thing? Do you still work? I heard you've been going about with her. You, Mr. French, pleading with a woman. The Chimobi I know will tell a woman to go to hell. So what's up with you?
Well, the Chimobi you knew now prefers to be addressed as Mr. French. And it will be good for your senses if you grow up to that. I'll have you know that this man over here adores this princess. Not you, ex-convict.
I see he's been telling you things about me. He told you I was in prison, right?
And Lord knows, I will send you back to jail if you don't stay away from everything that concerns me.
Don't you think a princess like you should be able to get herself a man instead of trying to snatch another woman's man?
Patricia, I've warned you to mind...
No. Calm down, I got this. Sweetheart, I'm a princess. And I can get myself any man that I want. Check this out. Because I am also a princess, I can do anything, whatever it takes, to ensure that you stop harassing my love life. Ex-convict?
If it means drawing my own blood, I will never leave my Chimobi for any other woman. Not even you, Barbie of a princess.
Girls,
My princess.
get this nuisance out of my face.
Those things. Get me out of here. I am not done with you. I told you will forever be mine and I meant it. You cannot just break up with me and go tell that baby of a princess that by the time I am done with her, this community will hear about us.
I told you I wanted to be alone.
I'm sorry, my princess, but I just feel it's necessary I talk to you about this.
About what?
About what happened at Mr. French's house. About that girl that came to see him. The same girl.
Sit down.
What about her? I understand she's a very bad girl and she moves around with notorious people in the community. I suggest you tell the king about her. So he'll either have her warned, punished, or better still, give you some security.
What?
I mean, at this point, I don't think moving with us alone is safe.
Why? Are you scared?
It's not that I'm scared. I want you protected. That girl is not normal. She's a bad girl. She doesn't respect royalty at all. She can do anything.
No, she can't do shit. Besides, there is no friggin' way I am going to bother my father, the king, with relationship issues. I mean, surely the king has a lot more important things to handle, don't you think?
I'm not saying you should bother him with relationship issues. It's just, just ask for additional security.
I won't. And I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You need to stop worrying now. Can I have a moment alone for myself?
Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world.
Princess Helen speaking. I have something of utmost importance to discuss with you. Are you ready to hear me now, or should I call you with the details later?
She completely turned down the suggestion.
That's one thing with the princess. She's just too stubborn and sometimes totally unreasonable.
She don't speak about the princess in that manner.
But she speaks the truth.
Even so, you don't have to talk about her like that.
My concern is her safety. That's it. And ours too. I mean, we move around with her, and anything that happens to her will certainly affect us.
Exactly.
Well,
let's just pray that nothing happens to her, okay?
Not with what that mad girl said. She looks like she's capable of anything. I'm scared.
And to think that all this is happening because of a man? What has the princess seen that French of a guy, by the way?
Neka, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Actually, Chibobi is a nice guy. That is why I had to help him when the princess refused to see him.
How?
I was the one that informed him about our movements.
What? You did?
That's betrayal. I was only trying to help because I know the princess loves him too. I was trying to help.
Girls! She's here, please. She must not know about what I just said. Let's go.
No problem. Just pray I can keep that to myself. Just pray.
Patricia! What is it? Was it an accident? I've been trying to call you.
That animal, that baby of a princess did this to me.
Princess Ellen? How?
Shut up!
Ooh, look who we have here. If it isn't our ex-convict. Hi.
Baby girl, you're behind this, right?
No, darling. You see, I am a princess, and I would not have a bloody ex-convict address me in that tone. Guys, please show her that you're my friend.
I've been letting them for this kingdom.
That's okay. That's all right. Oh, look at you. You know, I can kill you right here. And nobody will even know a thing.
You're taking your long too far. You're taking your long too far.
This is fun. I mean, we're having a party over here. So allow me worry about my luck. Guys, let's have more.
She called me a friend. And then she asked the hitman to do this to me.
It's not true. She couldn't have. She's too honorable to do this.
I was there all day trying to free myself.
You can't be serious. You should have called for help. Call for which help?
Do you know who the helper would be? You could be a rapist, my dear. Well, leave that in. I just had to help myself.
But Patricia, this is why I've been telling you to forget about Mr. French, but you wouldn't listen. Now you see what you've got yourself into.
Go, please. Keep French out of this. I can swear on my life that he has nothing to do with this. That useless princess did this on her own.
Even if she did, it's because of him. Leave them alone and start your life afresh. You can't contest with the princess because you will always lose.
I am not through with them. I do not care whether she's royalty or not. But she must pay for doing this to me. for taking my man and doing this to me. I will show her what an ex-convict can do.
Just stop boasting. Let's see what we can do with the bruises.
Abigail has drawn the first blood. She called me a friend. Now I see her as an enemy. God help me.
It's okay, sorry.
Get down! Just give yourself now.
Get down!
Come down! I think come down! Come on! Come down!
Are you the princess? Yes, I'm the princess. What do you want from us?
We are very sorry. We are very sorry. Please, come on, my son. Go, move. Get it. Wrong target. Fuck off. Wrong target. Go, move. Get it. Sorry, princess. Please. Joy, fuck off, guys. Go, move it. Fuck off, move it. Princess.
No, Daddy. I won't accept that. I'm sorry.
But you don't have a choice, princess. You don't. From this moment onwards, I am going to have armed guards around you. And you will not move alone anymore. Don't you see? Don't you see what happened today?
Daddy, I do not move around alone. I always have my girls with me.
Princess, your maids are just harmless, defenseless young girls and they can't protect you.
Well, it has been like that for a long time now. And I like it like that.
But the hoodlums could have harmed you.
But they didn't, Daddy. I'm right here. I'm fine. The only one out of those hoodlums that came close said that I was the wrong target. I am a princess, Daddy. Who would want to hurt the princess? Besides, Daddy, have you even considered how awkward it would feel that I look over my shoulder every time I walk around my father's kingdom? That is ridiculous, don't you think?
Princess, I beg you.
Daddy, I beg you. Stop it. Please stop it. You know how I feel about this type of thing. Like, I don't like to have male guards or servants around me. That's the reason I ask that all my servants be made women. And you approved of it, Daddy. What has changed? Why?
Princess, just listen to yourself. Here we are, talking about your safety, and you are saying things way out of this palace. My love, we have enemies. We have enemies who want to get at us, and we will not allow it. We will not.
I will be fine. Nothing will happen to me, Daddy. You need to stop worrying. Besides, you know what they say. They said God watches over the city. In vain do the watchmen watch. Excuse me, Daddy.
Well, Your Majesty, I think she just made sense there, because we all know that God is the ultimate security. I mean, just take a look at what happened today. He saved her And I believe that he will continue to save her and keep her and preserve her. Your Majesty, please, don't let this ruin your day. The princess will be just fine. Please.
What kind of nonsense is this? Huh? How can you get my target and you leave her to go?
How about Betty, baby? So now princess you talk about all this while?
Imagine.
Huh?
What about her? She took my man. And to crown it, she had someone beat me up. All I wanted was to pay her back in her own coin. But you could not do that.
Party babe. See, we no fit do this thing where you say we could do. Now princess where you say we could go beat. We no fit do am now. How for you? As me say we even see princess. You think for that kind of mission? We no fit do am. No fit.
See, honestly guys, I am disappointed in you.
See, Patty, make I tell you. You dey feel me so? That girl no deserve that kind of treatment.
No.
You dey fear her, Abi? She no deserve that kind of treatment. You dey hear me so?
So now me deserve her. Eh? So I'm the one that deserves to be treated the way she did, eh? Hey, see, that babe disgraced me. And I wanted to do her a favor by treating her madness secretly. But you just could not do it. See guys, now don't fuck me up, bro. You guys have just messed me up big time. I'm not happy.
Babe, you hear me? Swallow am. Make you burn am. We no fit do am. That task, we no fit at all. We no fit do am.
Babe, check this thing. Check am. My princess, so check am. Check this thing, oh. Check am. Babe, check am. Check am. Check this thing. Check am.
Hello, good morning, my princess.
Good morning.
Good morning, my princess. Among all the things I've been permitted to do in this palace, waking up the princess is not one of them. Because I know the princess has to sleep and wake up whenever she chooses to. But because today is a special day in the life of the princess, I've been given a royal mandate to do special things. Please, my princess, do not forget that you are the jewel of this palace. And
Oh yeah, let me stop you right there, please. Ooh. Whew. Yes, it is my birthday.
yes, it's your birthday, my princess.
This is my birthday.
Please,
and so because it's my birthday, you plan on choking me with those sugary words of yours, right?
You're welcome, my princess. Please allow me give you special treatment today because it's your special birthday and everyone is waiting for you down.
I know, right? Of course they'll be waiting. We have a ritual to get to.
And the princess has to have her princessy breakfast. So I'll just take a shower and we'll get right to it, won't we? Okay. I'll be waiting. Alright. Okay.
It looks so beautiful.
Breakfast in your honor, my princess.
Thank you, baby.
I mean, it's your 20...
I know. Let me stop you right there. We'll continue when the king and the queen join us. Yes, it's my birthday! This is so beautiful. Rose petals, just like I love. You're still here? Go on. Oh yeah, hurry up. Go tell the king and the queen that the birthday girl is sitting right here at the dining table waiting to have her usual birthday breakfast. Because I can't wait!
I'm sorry, my princess. The king has gone out.
The king is what?
The king went out.
What are you saying? Is she joking? Is she joking? You mean my father left the palace without seeing me or at least wishing me a happy birthday?
Well, I'm certain he'll be back soon. I'm sure. But we're here, right?
Yeah.
We could make it fun.
Yes, my princess.
At least.
Where's the queen?
They went out together.
When a woman is overpampered, this is what you will continue to get.
Can you just shut up? Why are you so insensitive? I pity the man that will get married to a hardened maiden like you.
And I pity the one that will marry a weakling like you. Please, maintain your lane.
Are we not supposed to go after the princess? And we're here trying to pick up a fight. God, my issue.
Why are you so senseless? Oh, you want to run after her, force her to increase her speed, and possibly crush it to something? If you don't have anything to say at times, you better shut up your mouth.
Don't insult me! Don't even try! Don't insult me! I will beat you!
Stop this!
Stop it!
Stop this. Both of them have been trying to set up a fight since yesterday. Okay. Ladies, the stage is yours. You can now fight and strip yourself naked. So the guys could enjoy.
If I beat you, oh God, if I beat you, take your time. Take your time. I'll beat you.
Tears in her eyes, she's so unhappy. Every time she cries, the princess feels so lonely. She's looking for love, someone to share. She's looking for happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray! Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, guys. I don't even know what to say. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this moment. You know, moments like this remind me above anything else that I have the best family in the whole wide world. I love you guys. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you, Daddy.
My dear, you are the jewel of the king, the fountain that produced joy in the palace. Because of what you represent in our lives, your father has arranged for you a month-long holiday
In the Barbados.
Daddy, shut up. No! Yes. Oh my days. Yes.
My jewel, you know you are the center of my world, the source of all my happiness. You deserve every good thing that life has to offer. And I promise you, cross my heart, I will spare nothing to make sure that you have it.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Daddy.
and I know you grow into that woman. that will be remembered in history for mature exhibition of decency at all times. Happy birthday, my child.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Come here. Come here. Daddy, please come here.
Let me get a hug. Princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for.
She's not taking her calls. What do I tell the king? How do I explain to him that I let the princess drive herself?
That was the same thing I was saying, and this parrot has the guts to challenge me. I don't even know what to do now.
If you don't know what to say, then shut up and allow us think.
I think we should go in search of her before she returns.
Search for her?
Yes.
At where?
Why are we all claiming as if we don't know where she is right now? Princess Ellie is with Mr. French at his place, enjoying herself. And we are here killing ourselves. Huh? I can bet my 3 months salary on that.
Even if you're 100% sure of that, can we actually go there without her consent?
Is there anything going on here?
Onyinye, you're supposed to be our leader here, but you're not saying anything.
I am trying to think. What else will I do than to keep calling her until she answers? Nneka is right. If she's there, which I believe she is, we cannot go there without her approval.
Better still, let's send Ife in one here to go and check up on that there.
You're very sick.
I told you my father doesn't love me anymore. From the moment my mother died, my daddy stopped caring and loving me.
My love, I am sorry. I know your birthday means a lot to you. But remember, he's the king. Maybe something serious and very important might have come up.
Of course something came up. The queen came up. She always comes up. That's how he goes about the entire place with her. She's all he thinks and cares about.
The king loves you. Yes, I am sure of that. He can do anything for you. That he did not come to wish you happy birthday does not dispute that.
Well, I need proof of that love. I need to be convinced. I need to be reassured that my father loves me as much as he claims. I need to know how much I'm even worth to my father. Because the way I feel right now, I feel like I don't want a thing to him.
What do you want?
I don't know, my head is popping and I might go crazy if I don't. If I don't know if my daddy really loves me despite all the negligence.
So what then is your work in this palace? Huh? I said, what is it?
What rubbish? Just what rubbish is this? You mean none of you can give an account of the whereabouts of the princess?
My king, I'm very sorry. But before we could stop her, she was already out of the palace. And all our attempts to get her on the phone has just been futile.
What do you expect me to do then? Okay? You want me to roll out the drums and then beat it for you? That's what you want me to do?
No, I'm sorry.
Now listen. Just pray that the princess gets back before nightfall. Else! Get out of my sight. What nonsense is this? Despite all my warning, they still allowed her to go out all by herself?
Your Majesty, why would the princess behave that way? And I don't understand it. She has the whole day to celebrate her birthday right here in this palace. I don't understand this useless birthday morning ritual of a thing.
Well, she's used to that useless birthday morning rituals, you know. But come to think of it, what was I even thinking? You know, she must have expected that I should be the first person to see her on her special day. Oh my God.
You didn't do it on purpose, my lord. It wasn't on purpose.
But that which I went out to get, some other person could have done it for me.
Your Majesty, please stop blaming yourself for this. Quit blaming yourself. I'm sure we'll find a way around this. Please.
This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Just hear yourself. Just listen to yourself.
I heard myself loud and clear. Chimobi, you have to do this for me, I beg you. You have a satellite phone. The satellite phone that the Russian gave to you, which you told me you have never used, right? Now listen to this. As unbelievable as it may sound, is the truth. I think my mother went ahead of us and moved the Russian to give you that phone, knowing that at this time we would need it. The die is cast. It's time to use that phone and you cannot fail me, please.
No, I will not do it. Since you've decided to involve yourself in this nonsense, then count me out.
What is wrong with you? What is so hard in helping me do this? What it's so evil in a daughter wanting to find out just how much her father loves her? I just want to know the value my father placed on me. Please.
Your plans are not only foolish and stupid, but criminal as well. Believe me, I am not part of it. The ridiculous suggestion of yours, when implemented, can land us in jail. If luck runs out on us, so kill that thought. Kill it. See, I am not against you wanting to know if your father still cares and loves you and whatever. But since you're doubting, there are other ways to do it. I mean, what if he eventually finds out? You might end up losing everything.
I will handle the outcome.
All right. Chimobi, please. You are all I've got. It's just you that can do this for me. My brother is far away. He cannot do anything. The satellite phone you have can only be traced by the Russian that gave it to you. So please, my love, kidnap me. And then call my father and place a price tag on my head. If he pays the ransom, then and only then will I be convinced.
Princess.
Are you alone now?
Yes, I'm alone now, my princess. Are you okay? Everyone is worried.
Listen carefully to what I have to tell you now. I need you to meet me up at Chimobi's house right away.
My princess, are you okay?
Ensure you're not being followed. And I need you here in an hour tops.
Okay, my princess. I shall be on my way now.
I repeat, make sure you are not being followed.
Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad princess, looking for happiness.
Your Majesty!
Why are you crying? What's going on here?
The princess! The princess, Your Majesty!
Yes, the princess. I was told that you went to bring back the princess. Where is she? Where is the princess? Where is the princess? Where is the princess?
This is true. I went to bring the princess. I was with her all through the day at Onitsha Holiday Resort. On our way back.
Speak up!
Some Muslims attacked us. And they took her away. They took her away. Like this. She only left me in the car. And the car is still back on the point they attacked us.
Hoodlums. What are you talking about, hoodlums? There are no hoodlums in this kingdom.
I speak the truth, Your Highness. They took her away.
Took her away? To where?
I don't know, my queen. I don't know, my queen. They sped off in their car.
You have to call the police.
Guards!
This is very strange. I mean, it has never been heard in the history of our land that someone was attacked in such a way. Talk more of a princess.
The question is, who are these men and what do they want?
Your Majesty.
Any news from anywhere?
You need to take this call, please.
Hello. This is the king. Ezebube II.
We already know that. Spare us the formalities.
Who are you?
I am someone that has something that belongs to you. And I would love to know how important that which I have is to you.
Where are you and what do you want?
Daddy, it's me. It's me, the princess, Daddy.
Princess? Is that you? Where are you? Where are you?
Now let us see how much value you place on her.
Look, whoever you are, don't you ever raise your fingers on the princess. Don't even bother thinking about it.
Sure, you are king, but sorry, you are in no position to give us orders right now.
What do you want?
Simple. In exchange for your daughter, I demand the sum of 100 million naira.
100 million what?
You heard me right. Listen, sir. I am calling with a satellite phone that you cannot trace. I will call you back to get your stand. Do not provoke me with some stupid actions, or the princess might be at risk of losing her life.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Onyeze, who was that?
I'm sure it's the same kidnappers that Onye was talking about. They are demanding a ransom of 100 million naira.
100 million? Your Highness, now they have implicated themselves with the phone call. Let us report them to the police. They have the technology to trace that call. Let the police arrest them.
He said they are using a kind of phone, satellite phone, that cannot be traced. I need to find out what that means myself.
Oh. We are gone.
I forgot to give this word of advice. The police must not know about this. It must be our little secret. Remember that the life of your daughter could be at risk. Don't play with the man that is holding a gun to the head of your daughter. A man in the moon, a man that you cannot find.
Why is your face like that? Is it the same kidnapper?
He said I must not contact the police. That he will kill the princess as soon as I contact the police.
You will not listen to them, Onyeze. We must report to the police no matter what happens.
And risk the life of the princess? Eh? Onyeze, I suggest we start negotiating with them now and save the life of our princess. I think that is the most reasonable thing to do.
Ichie, do you know how much we are talking about here?
And can that be compared to the life of the princess?
Onyeze, what are we going to do now? Because delay is dangerous, they say. We need to do something fast.
We need to do something fast.
What is it now? What is it?
Why were you eavesdropping on the king and his elders like that?
And what sort of question is that?
I've always been suspecting you ever since you came back to this palace, running without the princess. Now I think my suspicions are about to be justified.
What are you talking about? What rubbish are you talking about?
What do you know about this game?
Are you mad? Are you going crazy? Is there something wrong with you? What are you calling a game?
Look, if you don't tell me your interest in this matter, I will go straight to the king and I will tell him what I caught you doing.
Oh, please, Benson, just get lost. Just get lost. You can go in there and tell the king what you saw. What did you even see? Nothing. Listen, I am Princess Helen's personal maid, okay? I'm the closest to her, and her kidnap just worries me. I'm just worried. I want to know whether the king is making the right decision or not.
Oh, really? And what if it's not? What can you do?
can I do?
Nothing. But honestly, I am worried. I don't want anything to happen to Princess Herling.
Listen, everyone in this palace shares the same feelings. I suggest you be very, very careful before you land yourself into trouble. Be very, very careful.
I've heard.
Mr. Advisor, I've heard you. Thank you for your suggestion.
Hello? They have decided to report to the police.
What? Is that all my father is planning to do? Did he not say anything about saving me?
You know your father, he hardly disposes his plans to anyone. Okay, I'll keep you posted, okay? Just be safe, okay?
Sad princess, looking for happiness, looking for love. Sad princess, so much sadness in her world. Sad
Calm down. What were you expecting?
I was expecting that by now he would have paid up. And not for him to consider going to the police.
It's not easy as you think. It doesn't work that way. Huh? Moreover, I've not told him where and how to pay the money.
My point exactly. If indeed he loves me and cares about me, he ought to have rallied round and raised this money and asked you, where do you want the money? When do you want it? And how do you want it? And not for him to seriously be thinking of calling the police. You know, for someone whose only daughter's life is in danger, one would think that he would want to hasten up.
Calm down.
Call him again. Warn him sternly this time. Remind him of the danger that is looming if he doesn't act fast.
Father, if Nigerian kidnappers have advanced to calling their victims' families with satellite phones, then we have a big problem in that country. Forget the police, because sincerely, they cannot trace that criminal.
Yes, I know, son. I know that the police is helpless, but this is a criminal matter and it must be reported to the police.
And risk the life of the princess? Come on, Father, don't tell me that. Her life is more precious than anything.
I know, son, I know. But the money they are asking for is too much.
Dad, I agree completely, Father. But that cannot be compared to what those criminals could do to the princess. Please, Father, we need to do as they said. When she is free, then we can tighten up security. Let me know how much you have. I can borrow money from here to make it up, Father.
It's alright, I've heard you.
You will hear from me shortly.
Okay, alright. He said he would send some money. But how can we just give out that kind of money to criminals?
Your Majesty, you have to think of the princess's safety too. I mean, we don't even know what she's going through in the hands of these criminals right now.
Patricia, I have every right to suspect you.
I just hope my suspicions are wrong.
And I just told you I did not do it.
Patricia, I know you. I know what you can do. Come to think of it, you hardly come home these days.
It's true I had plans to deal with that Barbie girl. But believe me when I said I have nothing to do with this. Can't you see she's a very spoiled girl? I am certain what she did to me, she already did to someone else.
I just hope that you are as innocent as you claim to be.
For now your girl is innocent. But that doesn't mean I'm forgiving that Barbie girl. Ugo, she just opened my palms and took the man I love. Do you even know Chimobi avoids me lately?
What are you saying? No, tell me. Do you still go looking for him? Have I not told you to just forget about him just like that?
Mona, I've been going to check on him secretly, but he has not been seen anywhere close to his house lately.
Maybe the kidnap of his woman has scared him away.
Go, please. Stop calling her his woman. For he has just one woman, me. Moreover, the Chimabi I know cannot be scared by anything. Except the Barbie of a princess has also turned him into a male Barbie.
Patricia, you have to get yourself another man. Both of you are not in the same level. I am warning you.
What's that?
I can swear to you that I have not contacted the police. Please, I need you to understand this. I love my daughter more than any amount of money. Please, I want you to give me until tomorrow. Tomorrow, a select trusted elders will bring the money to you at the spot you described. Please, do this for me, please. Don't harm my daughter. I beg you. I beg you, please.
I know it's late, but I had to come because it's important.
Then you should have called me on the phone.
Everything mustn't be discussed on the phone. See, I'm just coming back from my friend's house, Ndidi. She told me that the princess will be coming back tomorrow.
Are you trying to say that the princess is going to be released by her kidnappers tomorrow?
Exactly. And that's the reason I said I must see you tonight.
I see.
Like I said earlier, everything mustn't be discussed on the phone.
Come on.
Bond, this is not the time to get in. Look, Bond, you are the master planner here. I think you should call your guys and fix something before morning.
A scene?
Yes.
So what will I be doing with the scene?
It's a new SIM fraudulently acquired for the mission. It's not registered in any name, but it works. What's funny?
A local girl I fell in love the way she is. Honestly, I love you the way you are.
I beg your pardon? Why are you calling me a local girl?
No, sorry. I mean no disrespect. Listen, my love. Kidnappers do not make calls with mere digital phones. They call with satellite phones that cannot be traced.
So, what are you trying to say? That you're not going to do this for us?
My love, my name is Mr. Bond. I will make the necessary calls, but certainly not with this your fraudulently acquired SIM. Go home and allow Mr. Bond to bond the deal.
This is the place they say we should wait.
Well, they say they will call us. Just calm down. They will call us. Let's wait.
Yes, hello. This is Ono. We are at the place where you instructed.
Yes. Are you sure you're with the money?
Yes, yes.
100 million naira in cash.
Yes, we are with the equivalent in dollars. $500,000, sir.
Nice. Now, move to the road that turns left ahead of you. You will see the signpost. Drop the money there and return to the car. You will see the princess after my guy picks the money. He is there already waiting for you. In fact, let me break it down. They are looking at you as you make this call.
No problem. We are not going contrary to your instructions, sir. Please do not harm the princess.
Just do as you're told. Dismantle any security arrangement you already have in place to arrest my guy that is coming to pick the money. Once you arrest him, or if he calls to say he is suspecting any trail, I will rape the princess and then I will kill her.
Sir, we understand, sir. We understand all your instructions. We understand what's happening. The life of the princess is at stake. Please, we understand. No security arrangement in place, sir.
Okay then, the ball is in your court.
What? What is it? Huh?
They say we should come down.
Calm down. Okay. Move.
No. Let me take it to them. Don't ruin the process. You just wait in the car. Let me take it to them. Okay. That's what they said. Thank you.
Well, be careful. I'll watch your back.
Thank you.
What is foolish about this? As far as I'm concerned, my mission just got accomplished.
So now what next? I am not going to touch that money, for you know they are mad.
Oh please, baby, that's not the point. The point is that now I am more than certain that my daddy loves me. He loves me so much, he can do anything. Look at that!
What I told you from the first day that your father loves you. I am not happy you lured me into this.
Oh, come on.
They are waiting for you inside that car. What happens to the money?
The money is yours.
Come on, don't give me that crap. I am not a money bag of my throat. But I don't need that kind of money.
That's all right. Listen to me. Calm down, baby. No harm done yet. Okay? If you don't want the money, I'll simply take it back to my daddy. I'll tell him the story. He'll have a good laugh about it, but best believe I won't mention your name. Come here, come here, come here. Yes, yes, we did it.
holding on to the bag.
Let's wait for her to come. She will explain to us.
But she has the bag. What's she still doing with the bag?
She will let us know. I don't know.
They say they don't need the money again. Please take me home to my father.
She was kidnapped again. And you are to answer for it at the station. Officer!
No, officer, see, I am innocent. Now move. Move. Give the order. Move. They go.
You that torture has been outlawed. But that does not mean I cannot handle a criminal like you.
Tell me what you know and save yourself of what is coming. If you continue to lie to me, I will kill you in custody. And I'm telling you, nothing will happen. Nothing.
I've told you everything. I swear. I have no hands in this. I'm telling you the truth.
You have no hand in this. But you did in the first, right?
Everything happened exactly the way I told you.